I am Geert de Cubber. I am a deacon from Belgium, and I was a proud member of the Synod on Synodality. Synodality right now is taken to the next stage, which is the implementation phase. In my context, which is the Diocese of Ghent in Belgium, we are doing the pastoral council on a diocesan level. And the interesting thing is that we started as a synodal working group in the very first stage of the synodal process, which was a diocesan phase in 21. And we could keep the group together, and all along this process, they are trying to become more and more synodal. And the nice thing is that not only we are becoming more and more synodal, or we feel we become more and more synodal, but we also see that every person of that council is bringing his or her own experience to the local pastoral context. And that's a great thing of influencing each other and trying to keep each other informed and trying to inspire each other. So if you run pastoral councils, not just run them as a council or as just somebody, but as really a council that is run in a synodal way, it could make a difference on in a local level.